Listen, I cook every day and big meals on Sundays. So you get those grease buildups on the bottom of your pots. And sometimes it's not so easy to clean them off on a daily basis and they become a little stubborn. So I'm just using a little easy off oven cleaner. I use the heavy duty version. There's a lighter one, maybe if you don't have as much gunk on the bottom of your pots, but it's real simple. You simply spray it on the bottom of those pots that have the stubborn stains, shake it up as you go, but just spread an even layer on each one of your pots there. And all I do is let it sit for about 5 minutes is all it needs. So once you let it sit for 5 minutes, you just stop, and this is what you get. I just use a scouring pad of some kind and rub it very gently. As you can see, I am barely touching this skillet here. And you do that with each one. Literally, you can see the grease just coming off. Again, you want to do this pretty lightly. You don't want to scar up the bottom of your pots, especially the enamel part. So you just want to do this very gently. And as you can see, it does a good job of removing that caked in grease. You know, let the easy off do all the work. So, and if you do have to come back and do a second coating, so if there's anything that's particularly stubborn, rather than just scrubbing super hard, you simply just come back and do it again. So now I'm going to rinse this off, and as you can see, these pots look good as new. These are all clad pots, so I want them to last for a little bit, and I think this is a great way to do that. All right, have fun.